Today I'm going to be making our classic recipe from our very own cookbook, the No Killy Philly cheesesteak. But instead of making our own homemade seitan, we're going to be using the Tofurky chicken chunks. Let's get right into it.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Okay, I got this Tofurky chicken barbecue for really cheap at Bargain Grocery, so I want to put it to use, and I thought that I could make a Philly cheesesteak with it. So we got the cast iron on, gonna get that real hot. Meanwhile, we're gonna mince some garlic, some peppers, and also some onion that I got at a farm stand on the side of a road. And this was a deal in itself because that onion is huge. It was only $1. Now I'm just gonna add the onion and pepper to a bowl along with some salt, pepper, some dry basil, oregano, and you can really add whatever you want. And the Tofurky is cooked to perfection, so now we're gonna take that out, put the onions and peppers in the hot cast iron, and we're gonna wilt that down with a cover on top. I grabbed some bread at a local grocery store. We're just gonna cut right into that. And here's some homemade nacho cheese sauce, which you can find right on this channel. Just search Vegan Zombie nacho cheese sauce. We're just gonna liberally put all of that Tofurky right in there. And our delicious onions and peppers right on top. And then we're gonna put a little bit more of that cheese sauce right on top, just like that. And there you have it, survivors. The No Killy Philly, straight out of our cookbook. And you can grab our ebook right on theveganzombie.com. And there it is, only one thing left to do. We're gonna take a big bite.
This is delicious. No Killy Philly, 12 years later. 13?
Remember, I got some brand new hoodies and other merch that I make myself. You can go to theveganzombie.com and pick up any of that merch. And stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.